The case in question is that of late LILIAN OMOKHUALE, daughter of Omori Olotun, who was found dead in her home on October 7, 2022, where 6 persons, including Jessica Ighodala, who is the first defendant in the case, were alleged to have aided in her suicide. At the resumed hearing on Tuesday, 4th of February 2025, the suit before Justice BABATUNDE QUADRI at the Federal High Court in Benin City, counsel to Jessica Ighodala head onto the motion filed before the court to dismiss the case against his client, as there were no evidence in statements taken by witnesses linking Jessica to her death. He argued that it was a civil matter which has to do with payment or repayment of loan owed his client by late LILIAN OMOKHUALE.
We have said the cases, we have filed a motion before the court saying that the case is frivolous. The case is frivolous because it's just a case of somebody giving loan to the daughter of Uyi Technica. She collected loan, she refused to pay back before she committed suicide. Now they are charging my client, who lives in Germany, that she's the one that assisted her to commit suicide in Nigeria. I have never seen it where somebody will assist a person owing you money to commit suicide. How will you not get your money? I would have thought that the next thing for them to be thinking about is how to pay the loan that their daughter collected from my client. So all these charges that she was operating a bank, that she was doing money laundering, have no basis. In fact, all the people who wrote statement for the police, none of them, from Uyi Technica himself to the woman's husband, to all of them, none of them said anything about my client, Jessica Ighodala, helping the woman to commit suicide inside her house in a toilet. She locked the door.
In court, were Vincent Onhuango, Blessing Jato, and Mudiaga Chikudi. The 5th defendant, Akpes Omorodio, and 6th, Joy Noren, were absent, giving the explanation that they were removed from the original charge sheet after an amendment on 25th of July 2024 by the prosecution counsel, while the absence of the first defendant, Jessica Ighodala, noted in court by Douglas Ogbakwan and Olayiwola Afolabi SAN, was said to be due to her location outside of Nigeria by her counsel, Dele Igbinedion.
As far as we are concerned, there is a warrant for the first defendant to be arrested anywhere she is and brought to court to face her trial.
Unfortunate of her circumstances, they knew from the beginning that she lived outside the country. She lives in Germany. She does not live in Nigeria. And her present circumstances now, that's what I was saying. He is supposed to find out from her, what are your present circumstances? Why are you not able to come to court? Okay, if somebody is not able to come to court, does it mean the person cannot take a lawyer to speak for her? That's why I'm here. If she's not able to come to court, she can take a lawyer to speak for her. Is that not why we lawyers went to school? Why we are called to bar? To speak for people. We can even speak for the dead. We can speak for the person that is in hospital. We can speak for a person that is in prison.
Meanwhile, family members of Jessica Ighodala who were in court have appealed to the father of the deceased to reconsider his action on the case.
Now that our pikin kill, and two of you technical children still dey. They still owe our pikin. They never pay the money. They beg everybody.
The case has been adjourned to 25th of March 2025. Osiko Mesado, AIT News, Benin.